Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of bridal fancy heel designs for women and girls of 2020. So, how are you friends? I hope you shall be enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most demanding and fabulous collection of bridal fancy heel designs. So friends, this is very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of bridal fancy heel designs. For those ladies who loves to wear such types of bridal fancy heel designs. So dear friends, this is very beautiful, stylish, trendy and stunning collection of bridal fancy heel designs. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more ideas and more designs about bridal fancy heel designs. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of bridal fancy heel designs online, then I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy these very beautiful, stylish collection of bridal fancy heel designs online. So friends, before telling the websites, please subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. In this way, you will never miss my video and collection of my channel about fancy heel designs. So friends, I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy these very beautiful and stylish bridal fancy heel designs online. So friends, you can buy these from websites amazon.com, eby.com and aliexpress.com. Friends, always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos and don't forget to share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also gives your feedback in the comment section about the collection. How was the video and how was the designs of bridal fancy heel designs. So friends, keep visiting my channel for more videos and more ideas. So friends, also subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. In this way, you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. So friends, this is very attractive and stunning collection. So dear friends, please like my videos and share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also give your feedback in the comment section about the collection of bridal fancy heel designs. So friends, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and remember me in your prayers. Goodbye.